Today we're going to take a look at Goodway's advantage when it comes to accessories for your vacuums, whether it be a grounded vacuum system or a certified explosion-proof vacuum. If you're looking for 1.5-inch tools, we have them for you. They're available in kits, so your first kit's going to come with your standard hose. It's going to be 1.5 inch by 15-foot long, fully grounded and bonded, extremely flexible with molded cuffs. It'll have the connector to fit your vacuum, so you don't have to worry about how it connects to your vacuum. It's also going to come with a floor tool and wand to allow you to clean the floor and walls if you want. You can use this on walls. It is going to have our signature 14-inch tool, wide neck, anti-static bristles, and it does swivel and doesn't fall out. And it also comes apart in the middle, so you can use this to collect material in piles. So once you've received your toolkit, now you can build off of that. One of the first kits we have is going to be your handheld package. Your handheld package comes with 4 signature tools, available in either silicone or conductive rubber. You're going to get a pointed nozzle, and they just slip right into the same hose, so you don't have to have any special connectors. And these 4 tools, one of them has a very large, wide opening to let you use it to pick up a lot more material, and then you get a couple of different pointed nozzles with the different openings on them. Let's say you want to do overhead, you want to do underneath things, you want to do a long reach. Our carbon fiber tools is the kit you're going to be looking for. These carbon fiber tools are going to come with an adapter that allows you to hook these directly up to your vacuum hose. Once you hook it up to your vacuum hose, you're going to be able to start connecting the tools to here, and they're going to lock together in place so they don't come apart. The standard kit comes with a 3-pole system for a 15-foot reach. We have some that go all the way up to a 32-foot reach. On the end of there, you're going to have an assortment of different tools that allows you to do different things like walls or floors or up overhead. And you even get some crevice tools and dust brushes as well. So now you can add carbon fiber tools to your 1.5-inch hose. You can add handheld tools to your 1.5-inch hose, and of course you have your floor tools. So that's been a review of our signature attachments for 1.5-inch hose.